Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video is going to be another clothing haul video, and I have another haul from Love in Faith. This is a clothing brand that I found a couple of months ago. I've already done one haul from them, but they had a Black Friday sale going on, so I went ahead and snagged some things that some of them I had my eye on for a bit, and others that I just kind of found when I was browsing. But anyway, so I thought I would just go ahead and open this up and show you guys what all I got. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I haven't opened this yet. I just got it in today. And I'm pretty excited to see because some of it, I know obviously what I ordered, but I did snag a couple more of their mystery shirts. So some of them I don't know what it looks like. So let's open this up together. And I will tell you guys the prices and everything that I got this stuff for. Alright. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I don't know. I like doing haul videos and I like getting clothes. So first shirt that I grabbed, I had seen this one on their website and I wanted it. And like I said, they had their Black Friday sale, so I was like, yes, please. Anyways, so I think originally their sweaters were like $25 and I got this one for $17. But it's this really cute, let me show you the writing, but it's this kind of olive green sweater, and it says, "In every season I will praise him," and then it has the trees with all the seasons on them. Now I got this in a size large, and I would say it is true to its size, and maybe a little bit bigger than large. No, I think it is. I like my sweaters oversized because I really like to be comfortable in them, but anyways, I really like this one, and I'd had my eye on this one for a little bit. So when I saw it on sale, I was like, heck yes, get in my cart. Alright, and then another one that I chose, I'll save the mysteries for the end, but this one here, and it says, "Created with a Purpose." Now I will say, I don't know, maybe it's just me. I feel like this one online looked a little more yellow, and now looking at it like in person, I feel like it's more brown. So I don't know, that's like the only problem with ordering things online. You don't get to actually see it in person, but maybe it's just the lighting in here, because looking down on it, it kind of does look yellow. I don't know, it's still really cute. Again, this one was originally $25 and I picked it up for $17. There's another one. So I only got, well, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 sweaters and 1 shirt. I don't think I said that in the beginning. Alright, and then last one that I picked out is, this one says, "Faith Over Fear." It's kind of like this purpley color, and again, I paid $17, and this one was originally $25. And I got them all in the size large. This one was one I was really looking forward to because I have a problem of being kind of fearful, I guess. I worry a lot. And so this one was like, kind of has like special meaning to me. I mean, they all kind of do, but this one especially I relate to. Alright, and then one more thing before I get to the mystery shirts. So I didn't know this, at least I didn't see this the last time, but they actually have tumblers on their website, which I didn't know that until I was browsing during their Black Friday sale. But anyways, so these originally are, actually I don't know how much they originally are. It doesn't say how much they're discounted for, but this one was $15, and it comes with a straw. This is supposed to be like those insulated cups. Anyways, it says "Just Breathe" on it. And it's got a butterfly on it, and it says a bunch of like little things on it. God's got this. Be unstoppable. You matter. Enjoy the little things. Be happy. God has a plan. Just all like very inspirational stuff. Anyways, I thought this was so pretty, and I love tumblers with straws. It's like basically all I use around my house. Let's try to get the lid out because I wanted to see what the inside looks like. Oh, is it screw? Oh, it is. I was trying to pull it off and it's kind of a screw top, but it's just, you know, your typical cup has a card in it. It says thank you. Anyways, it has a nice kind of plasticky straw. It doesn't have like the straw stopper, which was I mean, it's not a big thing, but you know, just like, I don't know, my tumblers always have the I can't talk. My tumblers that I've gotten like from TJ Maxx and stuff, they usually always have a straw stopper, so you can't like pull the straw out all the way. But this one doesn't have it, but that's okay. It's still really cute. Alright. So those are the products that I knew what they looked like. I picked them out, and then I got 2 mystery shirts. I got 1 sweater, and then I got 1 t-shirt. So the sweater I paid $14.98 for, and I picked my size, and they randomly choose one. And then the shirt I got for $7 and a large, and then like I said, it's random. So let's do the sweater first. So far I'm liking because it is gray, and I like gray sweaters. Like gray is my color. Where's the little thingy? I guess it doesn't have it, so I'll rip it open. Alright, and it says Jesus is King, which is kind of, I think I saw this one on there and I kind of thought about getting it, but I didn't. Yeah, I like it. Definitely a color that I don't know, I like getting mysteries, but I'm always kind of nervous. I'm like, what if it's a crazy shirt, like crazy colored or something that I don't like? But so far I have not been like disappointed by what they choose. But anyways, I really like it. It's simple and it's cute, and I really like the color, so I'm happy with that one. Alright, and then the shirt, I don't know, did I get my makeup on there? I don't think I did. Alright, and then the t-shirt, it's purple, you see that. What does it say? It says, redeemed with the precious blood of Christ. Aww. And it's got a cute little sheep on it. I really like the color. I like purple as well. So, I'm pretty happy with it. That's really cute. This is a for sure shirt that I can wear around the house, be comfortable, maybe even pair it with a nice pair of black leggings, and it's got a good message on it. Yeah, that's cute. I really like it. So I'm really happy with the mystery ones that I picked. Last time, like, I was happy with the ones that they picked for me as well, but it seemed like there was a couple that was a little more, like, outside my comfort zone, but these are definitely in my comfort zone. Like, I would not have a problem wearing these at all. Alright, so that's everything that I got in my haul. Again, really happy with everything that I ordered. The quality has always been, like, this is my second order from them, and the quality is still really good quality. Like, the sweaters are like the nice soft material, like these. This one maybe doesn't feel as soft, but it's still pretty soft. Like, this one's really soft, and so is this one. So maybe they changed up their sweaters a little bit. So I feel like the material, these 3 are all the same material, and this one's like a little different. Not that this one's like rough or anything, but it's just a little different. I don't know why, but it's still soft. And I'm pretty happy with the tumbler too. Like, I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna go wash it and like fill it up with water. I just like having tumblers. I don't know why. That's like the only way that I will make sure to stay on top of my water is if it's in a tumbler, so I can carry it around with me all day throughout the house and be sipping on it. Yeah, there you go, guys. That is my haul video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll try to make sure to put the link to their website in the description box in this video if you guys want to check them out yourself. I don't know if they're still doing the Black Friday sale, but I would just like, it always seems like they're having some sales every now and then, so just kind of keep an eye on it. And I always like snagging those mystery bundles because you can get them for really discounted. Yes, you do run the risk of getting something you don't like, but I feel like a lot of their sweaters on there are super cute, so chances of you getting something that you do like versus not liking, I don't know. For me, I feel like it's worth the risk, but, and I always like, I don't know, I just like the mystery of what am I going to get? But yeah, that's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help my videos. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my haul. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!